Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to be showing you this stamp set, which is called The Perfect Floral Bloom, and it's from Spellbinders. This is the stamp set of the month from August 2022, and you can choose to either just get the stamp set or you can get the stamp set and the coordinating dies. So I always say that it's a better deal to do the coordinating dies as well, since you have the stamp set. Especially for some of these really small cutouts. Some people have like a scan and cut or don't mind fussy cutting, but I really feel like fussy cutting some of these little pieces out would be kind of complicated. So for this one especially, I would recommend the dies that go with these. So I went ahead and stamped out my sentiment, and I chose Happy Birthday. I really like the font from the stamp set. So I didn't get that on camera, I'm sorry, but I literally just stamped it with some black ink, so nothing too fancy. And then I'm finally using up this card here. Now, if you've watched previous videos, there was a a card kit that had some birthday themed paper, and that was the stamp set from June. And I had some extra paper that I thought was really cute, and I didn't want to just toss it to the side, and I didn't want to just put it in my little baggie, so I decided to try this new design. Well, new to me. I found that it's basically just 1-inch pieces of paper, and you just lay it on, one going this direction, one going toward it, and one kind of going toward it but above. So it's pretty simple. I just used some liquid glue and glued everything down. Now for this, I have a little mini oval die, a stitched oval die, and this was part of a monthly subscription as well, and they still have it on the website, so I'll link it in the description. But I just stitched it with some light pink thread and then put these bright rhinestones on it. I almost said limestone. It would be very heavy for a card. Anyway, so that is kind of going to be my showcase for the card. Now to put it down, I'm just going to use some double-sided tape. Really do like the Easy Runner Grand because it is, as it says, easy. And I will just center it in the middle and put it on. Now I know that this is quite a short video, but I really just wanted to show how you can use these stamp sets, even if you're not wanting to do a whole bunch of stamping with floral elements. You can use these sentiments and really stretch those dies and stamps, because Happy Birthday is a stamp that a lot of people use, and there's also thank you and congrats. Those are very popular sentiments. So once you're ready for a sentiment, this is a good one to grab because it's readable as well. It's not too scripty, but it definitely looks professional. So that is this very quick card for today. And if you've liked the video, please hit the like button. And again, I'm sorry that it's so short, but I will have a couple other videos using this stamp set. So stay tuned. Bye.